Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today we're going to make onion rings with a beer batter. Let me show you how to do it. We've got our fryer. The temp is set to 375 degrees and I've got the green light telling me that it's ready. So what I've got in this bowl, I've got some flour. We're going to season that with some pepper and some salt. And then we're going to add some cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. I'm going to give that a little dry mix. All right, now I don't want to add the beer yet because I want to slice the onions. We'll slice the onions, get them ready, and then we'll add the beer. Got my Dowel Strong knife here. This is the Titan Forge series. All right, so you want to go somewhere between a 1/2 inch and 1 inch for your slices. And you just want to cut them straight down. We'll remove those outer edges. The first layer, really that papery onion layer, we want to get rid of that. It's not going to be edible. But all of this stuff inside of here will be. So let me show you how easy it is to make these this beer batter. We've got our beer. I chose to do a dark beer. I think they have more flavor. And you want to add enough. I've got a cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, some salt and some pepper. And you want to add somewhere around a cup of beer. This is 12 ounces. The bottle of beer is 12 ounces, so we'll use about 3/4 of it, 2/3. All right, you want to get it to where it's a consistency of pancake batter, and you need to use it quickly because if not, you're going to lose all of those bubbles, and those bubbles are going to be what makes your batter nice and light and gets it real crispy. Oh, we're getting close. It's starting to loosen up there. A little bit more, just a pinch more. Get some fresh bubbles in there. All right, it's looking silky smooth and holding up kind of like a pancake batter. I like the way it looks there. All right, now let's take those onions and we'll just drop them in 1 ring at a time into your batter. Got a fork here to help me with that. I'm going to drop the basket into the fryer. That way the onion ring can just go right into the oil. And there you got 1 onion ring, right? Kind of a rule of thumb when you're frying stuff is you'll cook them until they float. With these, they're going to float a little early. Actually, they're floating right from the beginning. And you don't want to crowd your fryer. You want to give them room to create that nice crispy crust. Then I'll use my fork to flip them. These are great for game day. They're great for, family gatherings. Onion rings are fantastic. They taste nice. Oh, beautiful. So we're starting to get some golden brown color going on in these onion rings. But remember, it's a raw onion, so we want to let it cook just a little bit longer so that you can cook that onion and reduce its intensity. Whenever it comes out, we'll add a little pinch of salt to it as well. Whenever it comes out of the fryer, you either want to put it on some paper towels or on a rack to raise it up and allow the residual grease to drop off. Something I'm noticing is that the bubbles are going away. The intensity of the frying is starting to diminish. And because of that, we're getting really close to having these onion rings done. And we'll pull them out of the fryer here in just a bit. We'll let them drain there. We'll bring them over here. Add a pinch of salt. Remember, they're hot, be careful. Add just a little bit of salt. You can flip them if you like. Oh man, that batter is nice and crispy. Let's go ahead and do a second batch. That'll give those a chance to cool down so that I can taste it. Alrighty guys, we got a little onion ring there. I hope you can see that. Sure is beautiful. Crunchy, delicious, simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and you want to learn more cooking tips, tricks, and how-tos, follow me, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give me a like. We'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching here at the Chef's Backyard.